Good morning, you guys. It's your girl Twan. Today is Tuesday. It's my second day going back into the office. I'm gonna pack my lunch bag. So I have my salad, the same salad I showed you guys yesterday, except I'm gonna have Star-Kissed tuna, lemon pepper on top of it. So this is spring mix salad, 2 cups, 1/4 cup of Mexican cheese, half a cup of diced cucumbers, 5 grape tomatoes, and 1 tablespoon of olives. And then I have 1 tablespoon of this strawberry vinaigrette, 2 tablespoons of the light Olive Garden Italian dressing. So I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to have half a cup of blackberries, half a cup of raspberries for my fruit. And I don't know if I'm going to put this in here. Let me see. So right here, you guys, I have 1 and 1/4 cup of Cheerios, blueberry Cheerios. And then I don't know if you can see the brown sprinkly stuff on top right there. That's 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, ground flax seeds, which is going to give me, I think, 3 grams of protein, just a little bit of fiber. So that's something that I just recently started doing thanks to Kim J. Kim J told me about that. And then right after Kim J, I had one of my son raised to mention it to me. So yes, your girl is trying it. So with my cereal, I'm going to do a small banana. Y'all know I love my small bananas. And I'm not going to have enough room to put everything in this bag, y'all. I'm going to have to get a bigger lunch bag. Then I have, for breakfast as well, to have more protein, along with my cereal and banana, I'm going to have 2 of my pickled eggs. And that is all I'm going to be able to fit in this bag, baby. And then I have my 1 cup of Fairlife milk. Now this Fairlife milk, you guys, I usually do fat-free, but now this is a 2%. I didn't have enough fat-free to make a whole cup. My husband has jumped on the bandwagon. He liked that Fairlife milk. So when we went to the grocery store, he was like, yeah, go ahead and get that milk for me. So I grabbed him some, and now I need some for myself. And then I'm just taking some of these because I'm still having leg pain. I did not get up and exercise this morning, you guys, because my leg was really bothering me. And I said, you know what, maybe I need to just take, at least 2 days off and just relax and rest a little bit. It's not hurting as bad as it was, but it is. I got to put this in another bag. But I'm going to take my, what's on this thing? I don't know. Too much lint. But anyway, I am going to take my Sunbeam heating pad to work so I can use that. I'm not going to try to walk and get steps in today if I'm hurting. I'm just going to try to relax for the most part. The girl is going to get ready for work. Let me show y'all my outfit for today. So this is my outfit. This is the pants that I showed you guys that I purchased from Burlington, extra large. I like the little ruffle bite part right here. You guys can see the little ruffle part, just like the bottom, little ruffle fringy. But yeah, and it has the bow, and you can tie it right here. These are extra large. I like that they wide-legged. And this shirt, you guys, this is a 2X shirt. I've been had this. This was actually my mom's. My mom's shirt. I had got all of her clothing after she passed away. And as you can see, it's really big all in here. But it's my arms. That's the thing. My arms is really big. So it fits like just right on my arms. And that is one of the reasons why I didn't get rid of a lot of my 2X shirts, because of my arms. I can still wear, the reason I didn't get rid of a lot of my 2X shirts is because of my arms. I do need like 2X because of my arms. But a lot of my 2X shirts, they fit like big, like a little mini dress like this, But I gotta work on these arms. Anywho, your girl is headed into office. So I will share with you guys later. Oh my goodness, y'all. I was late this morning for work. Wanted the bike array. I left my ice to go on my cereal. I'm mad. I left my ice. I don't know how I did that. And it looks like this banana is too ripe on the end. Ugh, it is. I won't be eating that. That's for sure. Cut that off. I'm still gonna track it as a small banana. I can't believe, y'all, I left my ice for my cereal. I'm about to scream. Listen, this working in the office thing, it's gonna be rough, but I gotta make it work. Cause like I said, I love my job. Now, so I have my cereal, my flax seeds, my banana, my milk. No ice. Ah! I had put ice inside of a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer and left it. I got my 2 eggs for my extra protein. All right, you guys. I'm logging in now. I'm gonna go ahead and eat, and I will chat with you guys later. Okay, you guys, it is lunchtime. Some my lemon pepper tuna for my protein on top of my salad. I think I'm gonna leave work early today to go to urgent care. Just want to double check, make sure I'm good, because I've been getting people talking about thrombosis and blood clots and stuff lately. I want to make sure that's not what's going on. Y'all know I've been having problems with my leg for a long time now. So yeah, this is gonna be lunch. And I went to Dollar Tree yesterday. I'm gonna try one of these Tropical Splash by Dole. I don't know if you guys ever tried these before. I haven't. I purchased that. I purchased the peach mango and strawberry pineapple. So yeah, these are 3 flavors I picked up yesterday at Dollar Tree. There's 6 in each box. Not bad. And I have plenty of water up under my desk. I'm not being sponsored by Dole or Pure Life. I'm just sharing with you guys what I use. tie this up so I'm feeling like tuna in here. So yeah, I'm gonna leave work a little early, you guys, so I can go get my leg checked out. Make sure I'm good. So that tropical one, it's a clear color. Still see a little bit in there. Let me just give it a taste, see what it tastes like. You can taste the pineapple. Don't taste bad at all. So here's my salad that I showed you guys yesterday. Same salad, I just changed the meat. Instead of having chicken, we got tuna. All right, you guys. Hey y'all, so I'm sitting in my car eating, of course, a 8-piece boneless General, is it TSO wings? TSO wings? I got out of Walmart. I don't know how many calories they are. Yeah, and I'm drinking an Ollie Pop. I left work early. It's what, almost 4 o'clock now. It's 3:57. I left work early because I have been having leg pain, and I said, let me just go ahead and go out here and check on everything. I was talking to my boss, and she was sharing me about a lady who was on Ozempic, had been having pains, and found out she had a blood clot. So I said, you know, let me just go ahead, because somebody did comment on my channel basically telling me the same thing, like they think I may have a DVT or a blood clot. So I went ahead and went and did an x-ray and all that. Of course, an MRI is what would be needed in order to tell if it's a blood clot. Sorry, y'all. But anyway, further studies would be an MRI. But according to the x-ray and the exam that was done at urgent care, it's not a blood clot. It's definitely a knee injury. So right now, I had been putting heat. So I need to do ice. And continue to take my leave that I started taking yesterday, but I only took like 2 the whole day. And I took 2 so far today. So I need to continue to rest, ice it, and take a leave for inflammation. I have a lot of inflammation in that right leg. And the pain that I'm feeling behind the top part of my calf is really behind the knee. That's what I was told. And it's really, when the PA examined me at urgent care, it really hurt whenever I first stand up or when he was bending my leg. That's when it would hurt. And it's definitely knee. So I'm going to have to make sure that I am constantly taking a leave when I feel these pain, because it's inflammation. I'm going to have to make sure that I am icing my leg throughout the week. Even when I feel okay, still ice it every now and then, you know. But yeah, I just thought I'll share with you guys that I went to urgent care just to make sure, you know, it wasn't a actual DVT or blood clot, you know. But yeah, so I'm just sitting here waiting. And I'm waiting on this guy to come. He's going to meet me and my husband here to look at my other house so that we can get some estimations on fixing some things, get the house right so we can have it ready to rent it out. Why am I playing with my hair on camera? So yeah, you guys, I'm just sitting here waiting on my hubby and this guy who's gonna come to give us some estimations on this house. Some repairs we need to do to it. I want to share with you guys that I am okay. Yeah, I left work early, but it's okay. I have so much sick leave. I did go to Walmart and I got another refrigerator. Portable refrigerator is larger than the one I had ordered from Amazon, so I need to go take that one to the UPS store so they can send it back to Amazon. But that being said, you guys, I probably just eat a dragon fruit or something when I get home, some fiber or something, because I'm full eating on these boneless, is it TSO wings? I only ate 5 of them. Well, actually I ate 4. Because they said it's supposed to be an 8-piece, but it was only 7 in there. All right, you guys. Hey, y'all. Hey. Today is Wednesday. I'm giving y'all 2 days in one video. I didn't get a chance to close out my video from yesterday. I had so much going on, you guys. So I thought I'll just give you 2 for 1. So this is my outfit for today. This is not anything new. This is something old. Ben had this. This is actually a 22-24 shirt and a 22-24 skirt. And it's big, it's a lot of room, but it fits smaller than most 22-24s. This came from Ashley Stewart, the top, and I believe the bottom came from Dress Barn, this place that went out of business years ago. But anyway, yeah, so this is my, and I got the shoes from Lane Bryant. I like to get a lot of my shoes from Lane Bryant and tour it because I have flat feet and wide feet, and they're really good with flat feet and wide feet shoes. But anyway, you guys, so I mentioned to you in my video that I had to go to the urgent care at the sports medicine center, the orthopedic center. Everything's fine. I did come home. I took a shower last night. I took a pain pill, a leave, and then I stretched out to get rest, iced my leg, like the physician said, behind my knee. And would you believe that pain that I was feeling in the back right here, the top part of my calf, it really was coming from my knee because I iced the back of my knee, just like he said. And I feel so much better this morning. I can stretch. I did not ride the bicycle. Like he said, I'm not going to exercise for a few more days. But yeah, I iced my leg last night. I iced my leg early this morning. And then I put my compression pump on for maybe about a good 5 to 7 minutes. And I feel really good. At first I had on some clogs, heel clogs. And my husband was like, oh, you need to take those off with your leg hurt. I said, yeah, but I'm feeling better now. But I thought about it, I was like, you know, he right. So I went ahead and put these flats on. So I am feeling so much better. So I thank you so much, Exterium. And that's Serena. She's also a content creator. Y'all check her channel out. She really was concerned about me as well. So I thank you guys so very much. But I did mention to you guys that we don't have a refrigerator or a microwave yet in our building. So, and we're not allowed to buy refrigerators. They don't want us to have them, but I ordered this small refrigerator. Let me show you. So I did order this small Frigidaire refrigerator. It holds up to 6 cans from Amazon, but it's way too small to put my containers in. So I'm going to send this one back. But I did go to Walmart yesterday and I picked up one that's a larger than this one. It holds 15 cans and not 6. But it's in the trunk of my car. So what I'm going to do when I get to the office this morning, I'm going to unload it, of course, and I'll just show it to you guys as I put it at my desk. I ordered a lot of things too for my desk, you guys. I want to show you once I finish getting my desk all settled. But Amazon taking so long to deliver the stuff. So I'll just bring y'all with me every day as something change. You know, this whole journey of me getting all settled into the office. So with that being said, you guys, this is what I'm taking today. I am taking the same exact salad. Yes, I prepped the same salad for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And yesterday I had Starkist tuna creations, but I had lemon pepper. Today I'm going to have hickory smoked. And the reason why I am doing it like this, you guys, is because, remember, my nephew had said, if you don't want to take fish oil, eat fish 3 days a week. So I had fish on Sunday morning for breakfast. And so tuna yesterday, tuna today, that's my 3 times a week. And then for my fruit today, I'm going to have 2 kiwis. And y'all know what this is, dragon fruit. Yes, yes, yes. Get your dragon fruit to help clean out your colon. And y'all know when y'all get deliveries and go pick up food and you have all those extra utensils, my husband don't like to eat out of plastic utensils. So instead of throwing them away, I keep them. I'm going to take these to the office. I had these in the garage inside this storage bin. And so I'm going to take these to the office so that way I don't have to take my silverware out of the house. I have those there. I usually buy boxes of plasticware and stuff and keep them at work. But I was like, oh, you got these, take these. So I'm taking that. And then, you know, I already have my snacks at the office. Let me get a drink for this morning. I'm going to take one of these raspberry lemon blooms. And then you know, I'm going to take something that's not cold. I have some sodas in the garage. I'm going to take some to work because I want to put them in my refrigerator. See how cold it gets. So I'm going to have this energy drink right here. This is strawberry lemon bloom sparkling energy drink. 10 calories, you guys. 2 carbs. That's it, no protein. Somebody asked me about sugar. 0 sugar. 0 added sugar. So I have to start telling y'all that because somebody asked me a question the other day on my What I Eat in a Day video. And I realized I don't report that because that's something that I don't have to monitor. But I will start reporting that from now on. So with that being said, you guys, I did take out one of my sandwiches that I pre-made out of the freezer. I have one left. Baked egg and cheese bagel. I'll have this one for next week. These are freezer bags. And I put it in the air fryer on 8 minutes this morning. And look how brown it got. It toasted all right. Okay, so the last time I used garden vegetable, this time I'm going to use chive and onion. These are my 2 favorite that I like, Philadelphia cream cheese. And I always just put a half a serving, which is 1 tablespoon on my bagels. So you guys, I gotta make sure when I go to work today that I go the bike road and that I leave earlier than I normally would do, so that way I can get there on time because I was late yesterday. Traffic was okay, to be honest with you. It was just that when I got to this one traffic light that was right across the street from my job, I got caught at the first light And then it don't, when it turned green, it only let like 4 or 5 cars go by, and then it turned red real fast. So I got stopped again, and then I had to sit at, I was actually at that light for about a good 6 minutes. Yeah, about a good 6 minutes, because I think I timed it, and it took about 4 minutes to change. Probably a little over 4 minutes to change. But yeah, so here's my onion and chive. Should get on there really good. And again, I tracked these as 3 ounces, but some of them came up like 2.7, 2.8. And 2 of them was 3 on the dot. So I just said, just put all of them at 3 ounces. But I don't know which one I was going to get and which one my husband was going to get. So this is my breakfast, you guys. I'm going to have this with my 2 kiwi for breakfast. And then I'll have the dragon fruit mid-morning for my second fruit. With a little snack if I'm hungry. Maybe a little, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe a little bag of nuts or something like that if I'm hungry. But I don't know. Lately, I usually don't be hungry. But we'll see. This is still good and warm. I'm going to put it back into this freezer bag instead of taking it in a container, because the container is taking up too much space. I gotta go shopping now for me another lunch bag, y'all, because this bag is just too small. Too small, too small. Got a little room so I'm not squishing my sandwich right here. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna have, you guys. I'm gonna have my steak, egg, and cheese bagel with my kiwi for breakfast. For my snack, I'm gonna have the dragon fruit with something, a source of protein with it, out of my jar at my desk. And then I'm gonna have my tuna with my salad for my lunch. Okay, y'all, I'm here. I'm at work, and I actually got to work 15 minutes earlier. But look at the sky, y'all. Why is it drizzling on me? This has been a trying week, y'all. The first day, I almost got in the red. The second day, I was hurting like crazy, late for work, had to go to urgent care. Now here we are the third day. It's drizzling. Y'all see it on my glasses already? It's drizzling. I'm glad it's not pouring down yet, though. I'm not going to complain. I'm going to think positive. All right, you guys. I'm headed inside. So, yeah, you guys. This is my little portable mini refrigerator. You can carry it every day like it's a lunch box, back and forth, if you choose to, or just leave it in here. Use and care guide. And this was $48 in Walmart. It was actually cheaper on Walmart than Amazon. I tell people all the time, Amazon may be convenient, but Walmart delivers too. Same day, some stuff. Oh, it's so cute. Got the little handle. This is what it looks like, you guys. Guess these are little fans. This is where it plugs up at. On and off button, I guess. I'll read to make sure. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Isn't that cute? A little tray. Got a little thing where you can put some stuff in there Oh yeah, there it goes. That holds in like that. See, it has those little slit marks in there. So that little thing can hold in just like that. Then you have your power cord. Now here's the test. Make sure my lunch container will fit. My breakfast. That's not gonna fit like that. Wait a minute, I gotta try something else. If this thing ain't gonna fit, I'm gonna sure take it back. Oh, there you go. I gotta put it to the top. So I have to put it to the top, or I can put it here, but I can't put it to the bottom because of that little basket thing. I wonder can this come out? Because I can take this and I can put this right here too. So you just slide it in there and it flips in like that. Now let me see, do it fit right here? Yep. Awesome. Look at there. Look at there. I can just slide that on in there like that. Cute. Okay, y'all. Not bad, not bad. Now I gotta plug it up and go from there. Okay, guys. So these little things in the door do slide out. I don't have to keep those in there. It won't go in this way, but it will go in that way. There it goes. So this is a Reuben sandwich on wheat bread and some curly fries. I stopped and grabbed my husband and I something to eat. Today was been a long day. We had a lot going on, trying to get our rental property together. So it's late. It's after 7 o'clock. But this is what we'll be having tonight for dinner. Well, this is what I'll be having tonight for dinner. My husband has some curly fries too, but he has a hamburger. But yeah, I got a Reuben sandwich on wheat bread. So I'm really not sure how to actually track this all the way. So I did find on here where they had a Reuben with no bread. So I tracked that. Then I tracked 2 pieces of wheat bread. So hopefully I'm good and I have the correct caloric intake. Well, as you guys can see, I did half and half of everything. Only half fries and half Reuben. I guess I'll eat the rest of the Reuben sandwich tomorrow for breakfast. I don't care for leftover fries. So yeah, I'll eat the rest of that Reuben sandwich probably tomorrow for breakfast because we're having a luncheon tomorrow. And then here is just some more of the caloric intake showing that I did go over on my calories as well as my carbs just a little bit.